I'm going to put you in number, Officer Bennett or Robinson.
No, Robinson, please.
Okay. Go to breakout room number 2. I'm sorry, number 1.
Number 1, thank you.
Yes.
Can you hear me okay, Miss Sandy?
Yes, I can, Judge.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Gregory Rich. This is U ticket 597-97921. This is one count of interference with the city employee. Sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Gregory Wrench.
This is the date and time set for a show cause in this matter. Mr. Rich says that this date is not going to work for him because he is at a new job and needs to make sure that he can have the ample time to be able to sit online, talk to an attorney, and do all the things that he needs to do to address this ticket. So the court is going to set this for a pre-trial and arraignment on that day. And that's going to be, sir, August 8th.
Okay.
2022. It's going to be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in that day.
Okay.
At 8:30 a.m. Same Zoom information you used today, though. But remember, it's at 8:30 in the morning. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. And I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I'll see you back on that date of August the 8th, 2022, 8:30 a.m. Same Zoom port and everything. Okay, sir?
Okay. Typically I catch the 7:01 train into work, and the train gets me on the job site at 7:45, and then I get into the building about 8:10. So I may be a little delayed.
Okay, I'll make it at 9 a.m. then, okay?
Okay, that would be better.
9 a.m.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you back then, sir, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
Same to you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss Sandy. Go back on mute.
Mr. Gillis?
Hey Melinda, how you doing?
Hi, good. Hey, I just wanted to let you know I'm Ms. Wardlow. I saw proof
Yes.
of a valid driver's license. She has it now.
For Miss Wordlow? Okay, great. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yes, thank you. And the officer indicated he didn't have an objection to the disposition.
Good morning, John.
Hi, Miss Sandy. How you doing today?
Doing well, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Good. Happy Monday to you.
Happy Monday.
Can I have Ms. Wordlaw out of the breakout room, please?
Oh, sure, Judge. And I forgot to make you call. Sorry about that.
So our table was real small. It was nice. It's just my dad, myself, and Judge Pullman next door and his wife. I had never met him before. So I was like, I'm actually your neighbor at work, but we've never met. So he's a really nice guy.
He is. Sands ready?
Oh, yes, Judge.
Officer Robinson? Now calling the matter of the people versus Jacayla Wordlow. This is ticket number P 11211485. Count 1, violation of restricted license. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good morning. Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Wardlow. Ms. Wardlow, please state your name for the record, please.
Jacayla Wordlow.
All right, this is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. How are we proceeding?
Well, Your Honor, my client did present a valid driver's license to me. She has obtained her license. She was issued some other tickets. She's been paying on the other tickets. So we were asking for dismissal based on the fact that she did obtain her license.
All right. Having been an officer of the court and seen the valid documentation that she has her new license, the court is going to grant that request. I do have Officer Willie Robinson online as well. And because she has her license, we are going to dismiss this without prejudice. Now, Ms. Wordlow, I do need you to pay those other tickets. Unfortunately, you let some of them go into, they lapsed. So you're gonna have some points on your license for that speeding ticket, but I believe my court clerk took away, that's right, she took away the late fees on them, so they're not as expensive anymore, but you need to pay those, okay?
Okay,
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
John, do you want me to send you a copy of the driver's license to your email?
No, if you verified it, that's fine, Melinda.
Yes, expires 2/21/24.
Okay, great.
Thank you. Uh-huh.
And he's doing office for you right now, Attorney Cameron.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh, no problem. We have corporals in it too. Let me see the case.
Oh,
Yes, Your Honor.
On white, right?
And, well, Woods had several tickets, so I don't know. The one, he issued a couple of tickets, but they might not be the ones that are on the docket.
Darren White didn't check in, did he? Does anybody see Darren White in any of them? I give him a
No.
little time. corporate Bennett, I give him a little time to sign in, so I'm gonna still give him like 15 minutes to sign in. If he doesn't sign in by then I'll call the case and do a case list, but.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I'll give him a few more minutes to sign in just in case.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mary, how'd the basketball tournament go? There's basketball this weekend, right?
اجي التيكت اذا سالتك تفضل عنه. لا انت تفضل بس دي معناها لا انت ولا تفضل.
Attorney Codicy.
وين انت؟
Can you hear me, sir?
انا عندنا المحامي الصغير.
Attorney Codicy.
وانا بعت لك الدفاع.
Okay, Ms. Kishmish.
Good morning.
Good morning. Who are you representing today?
Give me 1 second, please.
Okay.
I apologize. I thought I had it on my paperwork. I just had to look for it. Just 1 second, please.
Attorney Codicy.
Hey, Tom,
لا طول شوي بس.
Okay. So I got the name and I got the case number.
يلا بسرعة.
Okay, what's the name, please?
I'll spell it. TALAL.
Okay, just one moment. The defendant is talking. We can't get his
Yeah.
attorney. Can you speak to him?
Yes, please. Yes, ma'am. سيد القدسي لو سمحت تسكر السماعة.
Tell him to get his attorney.
سيد القدسي هيثم القدسي.
I'm sorry, just one moment, Ms. Kishmish. Mary, what did you say?
just mute him. Put him on mute.
You don't want his attorney?
He's on the phone. He cannot hear me.
Do something else. Just mute him. Get the interpreter's information.
Okay. That's much better. Thank you. So I am here for TALAL Mohammed WARDEH. Case number SP 119-21861.
Is Muhammad his middle?
Say it again, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Is Muhammad his middle name?
Mohammed is the middle name, yeah.
Okay, and the case number again, please.
SP 119-21861.
Okay. Okay, now can you ask him to get his attorney online?
Okay.
I have him on mute, but he.
Yeah. Yeah, just 1 second. سيد ياسر القدسي لو سامعني رجاء أجب. عفوا هيثم القدسي. هيثم القدسي. ممكن تحط لنا المحامي تبعك على التليفون؟ Okay. Can't hear him.
I'm asking to get him on Zoom.
ممكن تنادي المحامي خليه يدخل على الزوم. I think he said okay, but he's muted.
Hello?
Hi, Mr. El Codesi?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So
Your client,
me and my client are here. Today we have a final pre-trial.
what's your client's name?
Last name Wardeh,
Okay,
Wardeh.
okay, thank you, sir.
Good morning. صباح الخير. أنا المترجمة معكم على الخط.
The interpreter is here for your client.
You breaking up really bad.
Okay,
تفضل معي. اللهم لا النور.
Attorney, can you place your device
Hi.
on mute?
Yes. Yes, inshallah.
Can you place your device on mute, please? Attorney,
Yes.
I'll put him on mute, Mary.
on mute.
Recording in progress.
Mary, I'm going to sign off and sign back on to see if I can get a better connection.
And this is. I don't know.
Mr. Wordy, you need to stop walking for me, okay? Find some place to sit and have a seat, okay?
لو تتوقف عن المشي وتجلس في مكان لو سمحت القاضي طالبة منك إنك تجلس.
Thank you so much. Tell him thank you.
شكرا.
Attorney Cameron. Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Clerk. So for Jason Wood,
I believe he just left back out. I hope he was breakout room. He has 2 state offers.
Okay,
So just, you know, what to do with those 2 cases. And then for case number that's on the docket, the last case number 13-59-55421, that should not even be on the docket because he already said guilty for that.
okay, so the state offers are what?
The judge is gonna let you know.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, thank you.
No, you're good. Ms. Cameron, I'm gonna tell you right now. Let me see what, so we have them down for the 6 months, loitering, trespassing on property. We can do. Um, Can you find out if he has a license or not? Now, he probably doesn't. When you talk to him, Attorney Cameron? if he
I
has
did
a
not
license-
talk to him yet.
Yeah, no, I said, when you do talk to him, can you find out if he has a license or not? for
Yes,
me?
I will do that. Thank you.
If he has a license now, then we can dismiss his 2 state matters. If he doesn't have it, only because they're going to dismiss it if he, yeah, just find out if he has a license. for me when you talk
Okay,
to
I'll
him.
do that right now and then I'll work from there. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, he does not.
Okay, they're asking him to do the U ticket for under 6 months, no new ticket.
It's loitering for what?
It's loitering on a public or private building property. It's from 05. So May 2nd, 2015. His other 2 tickets are from 2016. And so I was hoping he had his license now.
I know, but since he doesn't, and those tickets are so old, I'm just gonna ask that they be set for trial.
Okay, all right. There you go, Ms. Cameron. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge,
Yes,
I logged off of Zoom to see if that would help my connection issue. Did I miss anything?
no, but I am going to do a matter. I'm gonna make you co-host. If I can find the right stuff.
I think I'm already co-host. It turned host over to you. So you're host now, co-host.
We still have some meetings to do stuff. I do want to do Mr. White. Thank you.
Okay, I'm all set.
Corporal Bennett? Corporal Bennett? Corporal Bennett? All right. Fanny, now calling the matter of the people versus Darren White. This is ticket number P 1227951. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Count 2, 1 to 5 miles over posted speed, limited access. Appearance, for the record, please, Corporal.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
All right. Thank you, Corporal Bennett. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. It was scheduled for 9 a.m. Looking through the breakout rooms, I do not see Mr. Darren White present, and he's not present in the courtroom. So at this time, the court is going to issue a bench warrant on his behalf. I'm going to set it at $0 personal, but there will be a bench warrant issued on his behalf for not failure to appear for his trial date today. All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, Corporal. Be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too.
Because Tim was down here in court.
Ms. Watson. Ms. Watson, Shaniqua Watson. You're on mute, ma'am.
Yes,
Have you spoken with the attorney this morning?
Yes, I spoke with her, Judge.
So you ready on her?
Yes, Judge.
You ready on Mr. Wilkinson as well? Because he was out here too.
Yes,
So are you ready on all of them?
I believe so, Judge.
All right. I'm gonna go through the names real quick to make sure we have them all.
I might be old, but I'm not slow.
All right. DeVale Wallace. Talk to him.
Attorney Cameron,
Yes,
have you spoken with Mr. Wallace?
I have.
Okay. What about Harry Williams?
Yes,
Janati Wiggins,
yes,
Lorenzo Woods,
yes.
Mark Wilby,
Willoughby, yes.
sir. Roselle White,
Yes.
okay, that's everybody. I'm gonna close all the rooms. Until his attorney comes on the screen. So
I didn't give the officer.
Everyone, please keep yourself on mute until I call your matter. When I call your matter, please mute yourself and please be ready to be in court. Ms. Watson, I'll call your matter first.
yes,
Now calling the matter of the people versus Shaniqua Watson. This is ticket number P 1204121. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Watson. Ms. Watson, state your name for the record, please.
Shaniqua Watson,
Your Honor, she's going to plead guilty to amended count of improper plates on count 2 with a dismissal of count 1.
Is that right, Ms. Watson?
yes,
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Ms. Watson, did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Cameron? She's an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights.
yes, I have.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No,
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
yes,
Understanding all of that, Ms. Watts, you still want to move forward?
yes,
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 24th of 2021. Did you own a Chevy vehicle at that time?
yes,
And did your vehicle not have any car insurance on it?
yes.
Yes, it did not.
It didn't have no insurance.
All right, and counsel, will you stipulate that it was in the area of East 7 Mile Road in Sherwood in the city of Detroit?
Yes, so.
Yes.
Your Honor.
Oh,
Thank you so much. So at this time, is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining count to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate. On count 2, I'm going to dismiss count 1 in this particular ticket. Ms. Watson, are you currently employed or do you have a source of income, ma'am?
yes, I received disability.
Okay, my fine is typically $200. How long would that take you to pay? Do you need 60
Huh?
days or 90 days? I said, my fine for this is $200 typically. I said, how long do you need for that to pay that? 60 days or 90 days?
90. I thought I paid all my tickets already.
You may have paid some civil infraction tickets. You can't pay on misdemeanor tickets until you come before a judge.
Oh,
Did you
so
pay?
if I have my insurance, if I have my insurance, does that do anything? If I have insurance now?
It does. I wish you would have said something earlier.
She did.
Yeah, I told the lady, I told the reporter that I have insurance.
Okay, ma'am, hold on.
Ms. Cameron,
Judge,
What happened?
she had 2 counts. So she did not have insurance at the time. She does have insurance now. However, there was another count that was being dismissed. So in lieu of that, there was a recommendation for improper plates, which does not get abstracted to her license.
I get what you were doing.
Right.
Did she have some civil infractions in there? So Ms. Watson, although you're insured today, the other count is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And that one is a more tricky one for us. And so this one that you pled to today is truthful in its nature and the fact that you didn't have insurance at the time. Typically, we would dismiss something like that, but you would have had to plead to the allowing an unlicensed driver. And that sometimes can affect your ability to have a good license. And so instead, you pled to improper plate, which allows you to. Wait, on this day. Okay, so you paid some other tickets that you had from 2020 probably. That's what you're talking about, right, ma'am?
Yeah, but that's the one that they told me to pay before I come back in front of you guys.
Right.
That's the one they gave me time to pay.
Ms. Watson. So they gave you time to pay so that you could do it because you've had a lot of allowing unlicensed drivers to drive. And so they're trying to get you to be able to pay for your license still. And so you have one out there where it's a driver's responsibility fee that you need to pay in order for you to get your license back. And you had to handle this matter today so that you could be able to apply for your license, because this is also stopping you from being able to apply to get your license back. So those fines have been paid, but those are for different tickets in 2020, ma'am. Okay. You can do community service instead. You want to do community service instead?
No.
All right. So that's why. That's a let me try. So I can give you 90 days. Does that work for you, ma'am?
Yep.
I'm going to give you until August the 2nd, 2022 to have this ticket paid, okay?
Yep, and you said how much is the ticket now again?
It's $200, okay? And now you have a reinstatement fee out there as well. That's $45. That's from a previous ticket.
Wow.
Okay, just so you know.
I don't
That's a
understand this.
reinstate.
It's crazy. So 245 by August what?
No, by August the 2nd, that extra 45, you can pay that whenever. That I'm just letting you know because you paid for all those other tickets and then that 45.
I thought I guess I gotta pay another 45, I guess. Wow.
Ms. Watson, you gotta watch who you let drive your vehicle too, because all these tickets seem to be by other people who drive your vehicle, so. None seems to be why you're driving the vehicle.
Because I'm saying they didn't explain that to me. That's what I'm talking about. They didn't explain that to me. That I had to pay those tickets and plus this tickets too.
All right. I'm gonna waive your costs and fines this one time. Let me tell you, Ms. Watts, stop letting people drive your vehicle who aren't good drivers. Because the next time you come back to court, you have a new ticket, guess what judge you're gonna be in front of? And I'm gonna remember your face, and I'm gonna say, I told you not to let people drive your car who aren't driving, because that seems to be the only time you get tickets on your vehicle. So make sure you're mindful of that. The court will assess a $0 fine today. You're all set, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You still gotta pay that 45 though. I can't do anything about that. That's through the Secretary of State's office, and I do not waive that fine.
Okay, I'll pay that.
All right, have a good day.
You too. So how do I?
Mr. Jason Wood,
How do I get off?
Yes, yeah.
now calling the matters of the people versus Jason Wood. This is U ticket 415. I apologize. One count loitering on public or private property trespassing. Ticket number SP 542444. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron, appearing on behalf of Jason Wood. Mr. Wood, state your name for the record, please.
Yes, my name is Jason Cornelius Wood.
Your Honor, at this time, this is an arraignment on a bench warrant on 4 matters. Judge will waive before reading the complaint warrant. Will ask the court to set aside the warrants in these matters. We'd like to have these matters scheduled for trial.
All right, everyone, I'm muting you if you were unmuted at this time. Yeah, so please keep yourself muted unless I've asked you to speak, because if you have stuff going on in the background, I can hear it. Mr. Wood, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Sir, Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that how you willing to move forward, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to set this for a trial on August the 26th. Write that down. August 26th of this year, 2022. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. I'm going to set aside any bench warrants that may be out here right now and enter pleas of not guilty on your behalf on all tickets. And it's going to be via Zoom, sir. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day of August the 26th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Wood.
Thank you.
Ms. Wiggins?
Yes.
All right. Call your name. Now calling the matter of J. Antoinette Wiggins. This is one count, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, case number SP 1239401. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Wiggins. Ms. Wiggins, state your name for the record, please.
J. Antoinette Wiggins.
Your Honor, at this time, I had an opportunity to speak with my client. I relayed the offer to her today. Based on what she told me, I believe that this matter needs to be set for trial.
All right, Ms. Wiggins, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Wiggins, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you? No, that's not what I want to say. It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on August the 26th. Okay, August the 26th. If you need to write it down, put it in your phone so you don't forget. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. This is a Zoom bench trial, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Our bond is $0 personal, but I did not say it already.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Lorenzo Woods?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Lorenzo Woods. These are tickets number P1177559, count 1, 31 miles plus over posted speed, count 2, tinted windows. Ticket number P1193752, count 1, drove while license was suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number P1193621, count 1, failed to signal, count 2, drive while license suspended. Also calling ticket number P1177727, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Lorenzo Woods.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation being made today. My client's going to avail himself of the recommendation.
All right. Is that correct, Mr. Woods?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Woods, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney? That'd be Ms. Cameron about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by pleading guilty today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
I want to take first your attention back to the date of May the 5th of 2021. Were you driving a Pontiac vehicle in the area of Joy Road and Burt Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And was that vehicle unregistered or untitled at the time you drove it?
No, it was registered. Like, it was my name.
It's in your name, but did you register it with the Secretary of State's office at the time? Did you have good tags on the car?
That I can't remember, to be honest with you. Yeah.
Did you pay your money to the Secretary of State to have it renewed for the year?
Did I?
The tax expired on the car you was driving.
Oh, no, I did it. I'm sorry. No.
Okay, all right, and then reading from the other tickets, because these are pleas of responsible, I'm just gonna read from them, sir, to establish a factual basis. That on May 12th of 2021, in the area of Michigan Avenue in Wyoming, in the city of Detroit, Mr. Woods was driving a Pontiac vehicle and did fail to signal, blocking traffic. On the date of March the 18th of 2021, in the area of Evergreen and Wadsworth Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Woods was driving a Pontiac and did speed going 40 in a 30-mile-per-hour zone. Satisfied, Attorney Cameron?
Yes, Judge, satisfied.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
There is a stipulation of probable cause.
Thank you. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea on ticket P11-93621. Count 1 is going to be amended to blockading. Count 2 dismissed. On ticket number P1177559, count 1 is amended to 40 to 30 miles, doing 40 in a 30-mile-per-hour zone. Count 2 is dismissed. Ticket number P1177727, counts 1 and 2 are dismissed. And on ticket number P1193752, count 3 is as charged. Count 1 and 2 are dismissed. Mr. Woods,
Yes.
slow down.
I will for sure.
Keep everything registered. On the civil infraction, the speeding ticket is $135. Blockading is $175. That's $310. On civil infraction tickets, you typically only have 14 days to be able to pay that. Are you gonna be able to pay $310 in 14 days?
Look, I get like 30 days.
You can. I'm gonna give you until June the 2nd, 2022 to have that paid, okay?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Woods. On the remaining ticket, I'm gonna waive the cost of fine because you're gonna have some reinstatement fees that are gonna be $45 a piece that you're gonna have to pay too. And that usually adds up to some money. So, but you have to have those other 2 tickets, that 310 due by June 2nd, okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Slow down, Mr. Woods, and get everything registered appropriately. Thank you.
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. Roselle White. You gotta unmute yourself for me, sir. Unmute.
I'm sorry, my name is
Not you. I said Mr. White. You gotta pay attention, Mr. Wallace, not White. Wallace White, you good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Roselle White. This is ticket number P1207362. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. There's also ticket number, I believe that's a part of this, 155659921, that's currently in disposition, blockading and impeding traffic. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Roselle White. Mr. White, state your name for the record.
Roselle White.
Your Honor, as to the matter of the unregistered motor vehicle, he's going to plead guilty as charged with the dismissal of the other ticket. You're saying that 15,565,992 has already been adjudicated?
It's in disposition and went into default status. The court is willing to take it out of default and add it to this plea today, and he'll just have that one ticket.
Great, thank you, Judge. We would ask the court to set aside the default in that matter at this time. Thank you.
Judge Taylor. Excuse me, can you all hear me? Can you hear me, Judge?
I keep going in and out, but I can hear you a little bit.
Okay, I'm sorry to ask, but you're gonna have to start over. As soon as you called the case, I dropped off the line, and then I just came back on.
It's fine. No
So I
worries.
missed all of that.
Okay.
Okay, sorry about that.
Now calling the matter of First People versus Roselle White. This is ticket number P1207362. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling case number 155659921. That matter's in disposition right now, but it's blockading, impeding traffic. It is a part of this plea. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Roselle White. Mr. White, state your name for the record, please.
Roselle White.
Your Honor, as to the second count of unregistered or untitled motor vehicle, my client's going to plead guilty to that with the understanding that count 1, which is driving license suspended, revoked, a 2-point offense will be dismissed. Also in case number 15,565,992-1, which is currently in a default status, we'd ask that the default be set aside and that this matter be dismissed as part of the plea agreement, which was offered to my client today. Thank you.
All right. Mr. White, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. White, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of July 20th of 2021. Were you in the area of Hamlet and Vermont Street, in the city of Detroit, driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Was that Dodge vehicle unregistered with the Secretary of State's office at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Cameron?
Yes, Judge, I am. Thank you.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Correct, Judge. There is a stipulation of probable cause.
Thank you. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to count 2 of ticket ending in 7362, dismiss count 1. I'm also going to take out a default and dismiss ticket number 155659921 as a part of this plea. Sir, your fine today is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
You give me 60 days.
Okay, so you need to have this paid, okay? Especially because I took a ticket out of default for you. You could have left it there, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
July 5th, 2022 is when this ticket is due, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Have a good day, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You too.
Mr. Willoughby? Willoughby? I'm sorry, Mr. Willoughby, Mark Willoughby? Mr. Willoughby? Mr. Wallace, you can't do all that. I can see you. This is live court. I know it's hard and then you get antsy, but you gotta move. Okay, just hold tight. I'm getting to you. Mr. Willoughby?
Yes.
All right. Can you activate your camera for me, please?
How do I?
I'm gonna ask you to activate your camera. Let me see. See, it says start video. At one point I thought.
And turn off your TV.
It's not letting me start the video for some reason.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of Pete versus Mark Willoughby. This is ticket number P12255555. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number P12255554. Count 1, stop street and or intersection, failed to stop. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mark Willoughby. Mr. Willoughby, state your name for the record, please.
Mark Ryan Willoughby.
Your Honor, Mr. Willoughby is going to plead responsible to blockading a moving lane of traffic on case number SP 1225554, count 1. And the other 2 matters will be dismissed. We'll stipulate to probable cause on the 2 matters being dismissed.
Thank you so much. Mr. Willoughby, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Cameron today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And she's informing me you're going to take the plea of responsible. What that means is I'm going to read from the ticket and I'm going to give you a fine that goes along with that ticket. You understand, sir?
Yes.
All right. On the date of July 13th, 2021, in the area of Rex and Carlsbad Street in the city of Detroit, Mr. Willoughby was driving a GMC vehicle and failed to stop at intersection blocking traffic. Satisfied, attorney?
Yes, Judge.
And there was already a stipulation for probable cause, so the court is going to dismiss ticket P122555 and dismiss count 2 of ticket ending in 5554. Sir, the fine for that is $175. You typically have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Could I get possibly a month, 30
I
days?
can't give you a month. I'm going to give you until June 2nd, 2022 to have that paid, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
Mr. Wallace?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus DeVale Wallace. This is ticket number 732467. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, no insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of DeVale Wallace. Mr. Wallace, state your name for the record, please.
My name is DeVale Wallace, DeVale Bernard Wallace.
And Your Honor, on Mr. Wallace's matters, he is going to plead to improper plates on count 2 with a dismissal of count 1. We'll stipulate to probable cause on count 1.
All right. Mr. Wallace, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have an opportunity, Mr. Wallace, to talk to an attorney? That'll be Ms. Cameron in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention, sir, back to the date of July 7th, 2021. Were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Briarwood and Tireman in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Laughing because I'm the first street, I'm like, I can't really read the ticket.
I think it's called Furwood.
Furwood, okay, thank you, because I'm like, yes, Furwood, as he said. And while you were driving that vehicle, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
Correct.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Cameron?
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, stipulation for probable cause to dismiss count one.
Yes, Judge, there is stipulation of probable cause on that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate, and I'm going to dismiss count one of this ticket. Mr. Wallace, do you currently have a job or you have a source of income?
No, I do not. I'm currently looking for a job.
Okay. Do you want some assistance in looking for that job?
I would appreciate some, please.
Okay. I have a program through the city of Detroit. And if you participate, they'll help you try and find employment, seek employment. And if you participate, they'll pay for half of your cost and fine.
Okay, I'm down.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to have you call the courtroom after you finish. So you need to be able to take down the courtroom number if you don't already have it. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready.
If you need to find a pen, let me know. You got it? Or you got some?
I'm ready. I can type it.
Okay, 313-7. No, that's my phone. 313-965-2293. Don't laugh at me, Mr. Wallace. You see, I'm struggling right now.
Oh, I say I want that too.
All right, I'm going to set the fine today in the amount of $200. I'm going to have you come back for a review though, because I want to make sure that we don't set you up for failure. And that's going to be in 6 months. So it's going to be a review November the 2nd, 2022. And that's just because I'm going to, with the $200 fine, I want to make sure that they pay half of it for you. Because that's the purpose of you trying to get a job and then participating in the program, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, just give us a call when you finish, okay? And you're all set for today.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bless you.
Okay, bless you too. Mr. Wardock, is your attorney nearby? I need him.
سيد وردة وينه محاميك بدها تحكي معه.
And while we're waiting, Attorney Cameron, a couple of people dropped off, but if you want to hold tight while we finish this other matter, that'll be fine. I don't know where they went.
No problem, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
This is one of the days I have 4 hearings at the same time, so really apologize. I'm here with my client, Mr. Warde.
Okay, did you need the offer or how are we proceeding today? So I can know before we go on the record.
Your Honor, there's no offer because the last time, so we want a trial date.
Okay, you want bench or jury trial, sir?
Your Honor, we would like a jury trial.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna go on the record. How I do my record is that, interpreter, just so you know, I'm gonna call that case and then I'll swear you in and then I'll give you the opportunity to tell him everything that happened and then I'll make sure we go slow enough so you can relay it to him, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now calling the matter of the people versus Talia Wardock. This is ticket number P1192186. This is one count of soliciting, receiving, and admitting. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Haitham Al-Qudsi on behalf of the defendant, P number 68565.
And if the defendant can say his name, please.
اسمع قول اسمع
أعطينا
طلال
اسمك.
الوردي طلال الوردي
Thank you. All right. And ma'am, can you, and your last name is Kamish?
Kishmish.
Kishmish. Okay, you can read. I'm sorry. What was it?
Kishmish. It says as it spells. Kishmish.
Kishmish. Okay.
There you go.
Ms. Kishmish, do you swear a promise to interpret the English language to Arabic and the Arabic language to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
Thank you. You can let him know what just happened.
بس حلفتني اليمين عشان ترجم لك. Okay.
Today is the date and time set for a final pre-trial. How are we moving forward, sir?
اليوم هو اليوم.
Okay, go ahead, interpreter.
Thank you. اليوم هو اليوم المحدد علشان نعمل الجلسة المبدئية. عم تسأل المحامي كيف رح نكمل؟
We are asking for a jury trial, Your Honor.
عم نطلب محاكمة أمام هيئة محلفين.
All right. I can give you a jury trial, but I'm going to have to give you a pre-trial date because I currently don't have any days for this year. So I'm going to set this for a pre-trial on August the 8th.
All right, Your Honor.
رح تعطي لك الجلسة المبدئية الأولية على 8 شهر 8 2022.
And hopefully I will have some jury trial dates by that point in time.
وإن شاء الله يكون عندنا وقت معين ممكن نعطي لك إياه بهداك النهار لهيئة المحلفين أو للجلسة الكبيرة.
8:30 a.m. and I'm
أنا
going to
والصباح. Your Honor, 8:30.
8:30 and bond will continue.
ونفس الشروط تستمر لغاية الموعد الجديد.
But you said August when?
August 8th for a pre-trial.
Thank you, Your Honor, very much for your courtesy. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Honor. Have a great day.
You too. Do we need to order you for that day or order someone from? Okay. All right. We'll make sure to do so. Thank you so much. And thank you for your patience this morning.
Enjoy your day, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Great to work with you.
All right.